Okay, and welcome to Module 5 of the Internet Marketing Bootcamp, where today will be all about adding content to our websites and our blogs to make sure and make them ready to rank in the search engines. And content is all about really feeding the search engine. The search engine, their role, their function, their raison d'etre is content. And so we want to be providing good quality content that sort of Google, and other search engines will their spiders will come out and look at and think that we are an authority in that main keyword phrase. So remember, what we're trying to do here is create content that's not only going to feed the search engines and keep them happy and make us rank well for the keywords that we're trying to rank for, but also actually give good quality, good content to the readers, providing a service of some sort. That's what good content should do. It should do two things: provide good content to the readers or the people searching for your keywords, and secondly, be structured in such a way that it's search engine friendly so that they will rank for those keywords. So remember those sort of two aspects. Try to do everything with integrity. Don't be too spammy. And you'll do well. So how do you go about getting content? Well, it really depends on what product or service your website is offering. Here, best workout videos, that would lend itself, I'd say, to reviewing videos, or maybe putting top 10s together, top 10 workout videos for men, top 10 workout videos that help you tighten up your buns or give you a six-pack or whatever. So there's lots of, actually it's quite interesting. There's lots of opportunity for me to do reviews and stuff. One way of doing reviews, well, if you've got the products, for instance, my girlfriend recently brought the Tony Horton 10-minute workout. Well, perfect. I could, I know that's a really popular seller. I could do a review of that and add it here. Equally, you can go to, say, Amazon, look at other reviews, collate various views, say all the sort of, when people write their product reviews, collate all the good points, collate all the bad points, and then sort of summarize that in an article of some sort. Also, don't forget about YouTube. I mean, Google, they own YouTube, so they love video content, and it makes your website even more appealing to readers and to people searching. So I mean, and a lot of people much prefer watching a video than reading a straight article. So before we do that, what I want to do is just tidy up these widgets. They're called widgets, this sidebar, and just tidy up some of these widgets. I don't want this meta widget here. That's no good to anybody really. It's really just for your own benefit, but I mean, to readers it just looks a bit ugly. Articles, well, it's just going to put the articles in sort of a monthly basis, not particularly good. So I'm just going to get rid of those. We'll keep the categories. There are some other things you can add, text boxes and things in here. So to do that, what we need to do, go to the admin page again. So we sign in. Okay, so we signed in, and then if we go to the appearance section here on the left, and you'll see widgets. Click on widgets. Now, a lot of plugins that we talked about, plugins before, will give you certain widgets. Now, depending on what WordPress theme you've got, you may just have one sidebar here. This theme that I've got, it's got sort of two sidebars. It's got its content element here. These widgets appear underneath the page post content, so there's nothing in there, so I'll probably do there. So what I want to do, if there's nothing in there, and yet if we go back there seems to be some widgets there, all you need to do is put in a widget and it will get rid of the widgets that are already there usually. So if we put, for instance, recent posts, that's always a good one to do. So just for the moment, I'm just going to put in recent posts. So you click on it and then drag it across, drop it in. I'm not going to give it, it's got its own title anyway, so I'm not going to give it a title. save it, close. Okay, and you're done. And you can put in links, you can put in a text box here, which allows you just to add any old text or even HTML coding, which is really good. So you can put an ad in there. So lots of great things, and we'll look at that a bit later. But for now, that's all we need to do. Then if we go back to the best workout videos, refresh the page, okay, and you've got the recent posts there, which is this Hello World default. So now let's get on with adding an article. So I've written an article here already. Okay, before I write, this is some of the ways that you can research your articles. You can put in articles and then your keyword phrase like that. And as you can see here, they've got guides to best workout videos for 2011, top 20 best workout videos. Now, these are not to just copy, because you don't want duplicate content. You want fresh, new content and good quality content for your blog. But what they will do is provide inspiration. Top 20 best workout videos. I could look around there and just have a look, see some of the recommended, or maybe I could just go to, there's that 10-minute trainer that mentioned that my girlfriend bought and wants me to do. Or I could just go to Amazon, look at the top 10 best-selling DVDs for ideas and do reviews of them. So what I've done is I've already written a little review here. Discover the best workout videos. I've done a sort of a summary, and then sort of started forming a sort of a list of my top 5 workout. And I've just gone to Amazon and looked at sort of some of the top 5 selling DVDs from the last sort of 3 months, 4 months of releases, rather than just the top 10 all-time selling, but just current ones. And what I'll do is I'll write a little piece on each one of these based on the sort of the Amazon. I'll sort of detail what it is, but I won't just copy the stuff from Amazon. I'll rewrite it so that it's fresh and new content. And what we're doing is, by compiling our own top 5 with a review, we're actually providing good content, or something that readers are looking for. Usually a search on Google, they're looking for answers, and we're saying if you're looking for good workout DVDs, hey, how about these top 5? So we're providing good content in that way. What we'll do is what we can do is just copy that, go back to here, and now we're going to add our posts. So go up to here and put posts. What I tend to do is get rid of this Hello World one. So we'll just trash and add new. So best workout videos, top 5 for 2011. Okay, so make sure that you're using your keyword in the title, best workout videos. There we are. I've just cut and pasted in that article. I'll tidy it up. Now, again, what you want to be using is best workout videos in the opening bit as well. So you'll need that. And then why don't you, if you bold it as well, it just sort of shows the search engines that it's important. And then you'll probably want it towards the end as well. So what I might do is do a sort of a summary at the end of the top 5 and use the keyword phrase again. You also want to use the other keyword phrases within here, because remember, Google is not only looking at how you use your keyword phrase, it's also seeing whether you associate other keyword ideas that came up with that keyword phrase. It's a complicated term called LSI, or latent semantic index, but don't worry about that. It's about using some of the keyword ideas that it came up with, pepper them in your article, but again, don't make it spammy. Make it so that it makes sense. Okay. Another thing I do here is I'll make this a title. I've added a title in the actual article, and what I'm going to do, if you click on here, can you see these lines? It says show, hide, kitchen sink. There we are. I'll give you more formatting options. And what I want to do is I'm just going to make this a heading. Not all of it. Oh, There's a bit of a mistake, so we'll just go back that. I don't want all of that to be a heading. I want that to be just paragraph. Well, I'll have a look at that anyway, but make your title there a heading, because that's basically means that your head tag within the main article has got your keyword phrase in, best workout videos. Your article's got the word best workout videos within its body, preferably at the beginning in the first sort of sentence or so, and at the end I would do it again. Now you don't want to overdo it by using the same keyword phrase again and again, because that just looks spammy. What you're looking for maybe is anywhere between 2 to 4%. Yeah, so that's once, say, every 50 words is probably enough. Any more than that, then it probably begins to sound a bit repetitive and maybe a bit suspicious in terms of, you're peppering it too heavy. Again, what we're trying to do is appease the reader and at the same time also satisfy the search engines that what we're adding is genuine content and not just stuffing our article with the same keyword again and again, because Google's a complex search engine and they're not stupid. They don't fall for that. Okay, so add in your article there. I've obviously picked up a picture here from the article. I'm just going to get rid of that. There we are. So I've added my article. I'll finish off writing my article. Basically, I've just made it a simple top 5 with an introduction. The category, best workout videos. Okay. Tags. Just add your keywords. Best workout videos. Dance, exercise, videos, workout videos for women. Remember to separate them with a comma, add. Okay. Now, here, can you remember our all-in-one SEO pack? Now, what we put in here is what will appear in the search engine. If somebody's looking for it, this is what will come up. So not only do we need to include our keywords in here, but we've also got to make it so that the reader is inclined to click on it. So maybe we're going to put discover the best workout videos of 2011. Okay, so that's going to be the meta title of the article. That's what will appear in the search engine listings for this article. Remember, the whole website has got its own meta title and meta description that we did when we first put the settings in for the all-in-one SEO pack. Then here again, this is the short description that appears, and there's 160 characters. Make sure you use the keywords again, the best workout videos of 2011 as we review in detail the must-have women. See how I've used the keyword phrases as well, but not in a spammy way. It makes it read very well. Okay, that will do. And the keywords here, now some people don't bother doing this because they've got the keywords here already, but I tend to belt and braces approach. Best workout videos, dance, exercise, videos, workout videos for women. So really the function here of the all-in-one SEO pack is it gives you the chance to change the title from your main article title that appears in the search engine, because your main article title may not be as appealing to readers for whatever reason. So this gives you the flexibility of saying, right, I want to use my main keyword phrase in the title of my article, but I also want it to be compelling for the readers or people searching. So that's all that great. Now we can also add some videos maybe. So I've gone to YouTube and I put best workout. Now I put DVD. Now normally I'd say just put your keyword phrase in, but obviously YouTube is a video channel, so there'll be loads of people doing workouts. That's not what I want. I actually want samples of workout DVDs, because that's what our site's really about. So if I put in search and then see if there's any videos, so I'll scroll out, bear with me, it's quite old, but as you can see, just search through. So I'll try and find, well, let's just, for the sake of it, let's do personal training with the workout DVD review. I don't know what it is. I'll take time and have a look at it. But what we want to do is copy
Jensen, what's on your mind?
the link. Okay, we go back to our article. Now, remember, we installed, one of the plugins we installed was this in-frame YouTube plugin thing here. And this is what it is, the iframe embed for YouTube. And it appears, if you don't install the plugin, then you won't get this little thing. So what we can do here is obviously find I'm doing this just rushing it to show you, but find an appropriate place in your article, click on that, and it comes up and asks you for the URL of the YouTube video, which I've just copied. Click that, insert. I'm going to put it in the middle, so I'm just going to highlight that. Let's center it like that. No, not all of it. I'm going to come back and do that. Okay, let's save that draft. And you can preview the post before you publish. Wait for it to save first. Okay, and there it is. There's my article. There's the YouTube video. I'll go back and finish the article later, but it's just really showing you. So we're happy with that. We could add some pictures. One way of getting pictures, I mean, obviously you go to Google and search for images, or what I do, I mean, in this case, because obviously I'll be doing reviews of DVDs, so there's less of a copyright issue because nobody's going to mind me using a picture of a DVD cover. So I click on that, for instance, save the picture to my desktop. Okay, maybe you want it at the top, picture, so just click where you want the picture, and then here, can you see the little picture thing? Add an image, select file from the desktop. If I can remember what it was called, it had a funny title. That was it. Open. Okay, and it will upload that. It's quite a big file. Now, here, that's the name of the file. It's a horrible file. Remember, Google will also, it searches images and the names of the images. So here's another opportunity to add your keywords. And I've ranked for images for my keywords. You know, some of my sites, when people have, you know, the images have come up ahead of my own site. But again, people will click on it and it might take you to the site. Discover best workout videos. I tend not to be a caption because these are what, again, this is going to be the meta title of the image. An alternative text. You could put a description if you want. I'm not going to do that now. Medium is probably, depending on how big the picture you downloaded is probably, medium is probably enough. And I want it on the left, so just click left. You can put it anywhere you want, but you'll see, and then hit insert into post. And there it is. Let's just save that draft again. Preview post. Okay, that looks all right. The pictures, DVD article. So very straightforward. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to publish. So you just hit publish, and if we go back to our original, now that's published, go back to our original page and now hit refresh. There we are, recent posts, best workout videos. There we are, nice content, picture, it's got a video. As I say, I'll go back and finish my top 5, but there it just goes to show how easy it is. So now what we really need you to do is go away and write an article. As I say, try and make it maybe 300, 400 words if you can. I like to add some YouTube clips where I can as well that are relevant. Make sure that your keyword phrase is in a title, a heading title, so not the name of your article, but within the body of the article have a heading. I'm going to change that as a heading. Put it in the first sentence or first got a couple of sentences or lines of your article, and then what we'll do at the end, I'm going to do a summary. Again, use your keyword phrase again. Try and use some of the other keyword phrases you've got, but make it readable. You probably want to use anywhere between 2 to 4% of the article, no more, should contain best workout videos phrase. So only, for every 50 words, maybe use it once, but no more than that. There's probably any more than that, and it gets a bit spammy. And that's it. So what I need you to do now is just do that, and ideally I'd like to maybe put together 3 or 4 posts, so not necessarily just articles. You could just add some YouTube videos and then write about those YouTube videos, even write about what the people are saying in the YouTube videos. That way you're creating an article out of what other people are saying to support that YouTube. And basically what we want are 3 or 4 posts around this keyword phrase, your first keyword phrase. We'll do articles around the other keyword phrases, but for now we're concentrating on our main keyword phrase, which in this case is best workout videos. I want you to do 3 or 4 articles, but what I don't want you to do is publish them straight away. Maybe publish 2, but just when you've written the articles and you've previewed them, just save them, update them, but don't publish. Okay, so just save the articles, don't publish. Just publish the first 2 that you do for now, and we'll publish the other ones in a couple of days' time. The reason we do this is to feed Google and feed the search engines, because what will happen is they'll come and visit our site when we add the first couple of articles. Then they'll come back a little while later to see if we've updated and added any more articles. And that way it sort of keeps them interested, and that's what we're trying to do. So I hope that all made sense. I've rattled through it a bit, but obviously the article writing, or the creating content, it's not just articles, creating content and posts are very much a matter of, dependent on the keyword phrases you've got. But, reviews of products are very good, or if you know your service or product really well, then write a piece about it, or even do your own video or YouTube video, or find YouTube videos that are relevant and create good quality content and then add it. Try to do 3 or 4 posts, but only publish the first 2 at this stage. And that's it. And I'll see you in the next module.